Can you make $1 million on YouTube with a channel about nothing? But this video isn't just about nothing. I'm going to show you exactly how much YouTube paid me after getting 50,000 views. And that amount is $537.38, or roughly about 50,000 views. I hate YouTubers that ramble on and make you wait to the end of the video. This is a big number a lot of you want to see. Also, want to take a quick second for my dedicated subscribers. Let me know if you like this view. My Wi-Fi wasn't working in my apartment, so I had to come up to my rooftop to film this video because the Wi-Fi is working on my rooftop. Do you like this outdoor view more? Like, you're going to hear some background noise, cars going by, maybe helicopters or whatever. But let me know what you think. Do you like this kind of like out in the wild, almost out in nature, if I'd say it like that too? Do you like this outdoor view more than my typical view of, like, say, like a white background or whatever? Let me know what you think. But anyway, jumping back into the video, you can see this, and let's talk about the other big numbers. Most of you know where this is going if you've watched these videos before. There are two main metrics that determine how much money you make when it comes to YouTube. One is views. We all know this, right? The more views you get, the more money you make. But the second one is something called RPM. Not all views are created equal. So when I go here, I'm going to go down to metrics. I'm going to go down here. I'm going to see bump, RPM. This means how much money am I making for every 1,000 views? The higher the RPM, the more money you make from each view. And you can see that on average, which is pretty good, for these 50,000 views, I made on average about $10.66 for every 1,000 views. That's pretty good. Now, I will say this, the average YouTuber, and it does kind of fluctuate depending on your location, what language you speak, the type of content you make, even the length of the content, and a few other factors, I'd say between $3 and $5 for every 1,000 views. And you can see here too that not only is the channel-wide RPM, but also I have specific video RPM. Now, I'm going to organize to start in these 50,000 views to show you the top money-making video to the lowest money-making video. So you can see when it comes to these 50,000 views, the biggest money-making video is I tried making money on Rumble video platform. Of course, this channel is all about making money, documenting the journey to make $1 million on YouTube, but the channel about nothing. So this channel is kind of all over the place, right? And also, one thing you can see here, as we go back, before we go back to the RPMs, is what's called the 80-20 rule. This is talked about in so many places in life. You've probably heard this too. Big in economics, that what you're going to notice is the top 20% of your videos make 80% of your revenue. And this is definitely true. This is something I have noticed, and this is a good way to do testing and make more money on YouTube, is look at, like, okay, what are the top videos that I'm making money from? And also, what is a common theme around them? So therefore I can replicate it. Now, the issue with these top videos, and you can see here just by the thumbnails, is this channel used to be a rideshare channel. I still post Uber and Lyft videos every once in a while, but now I'd say out of every 10 videos is a video about Uber and Lyft. That being said, these videos are still performing very well. And you can see just from the thumbnail, right, the classic pink and black color scheme. When it comes to Uber and Lyft, I have this one though, the AAA membership, which by the way is goated. If you don't have AAA, definitely get AAA. But you can see that these are all ride sharing. But the top one is about making money when it comes to Rumble, which is kind of like a YouTube competitor. And I wanted to show you this because the bittersweet part about this, I've mentioned this in a lot of videos, is because those videos are still doing well, which on one end seems good. Like, hey, I have videos, like this one was posted. This is the second highest money-making video when it comes to these 50,000 views. And you can see here, this was posted in January of 2026, so 6 months ago. But then I have some that are like renting a car for Uber, June 6th in 2024. That was about 2 years ago. And then I have some that even longer than that. 2022. Wow, it's kind of crazy to say. 4 years ago, and this video still is what? Number 5 in these 50,000 recent views on this channel. Pretty crazy. On one end, that's good. Passive income, right? On the other end, though, that means I'm still getting more and more subscribers who are subscribing just for Uber and Lyft content. That's what they're expecting. That's kind of the bittersweet part about the transitional phase, as I've called it in videos on this channel, where even though, yes, I stopped making Uber and Lyft content, all the subscribers now are coming for Uber and Lyft content still because these videos are still doing well. Kind of bittersweet. Like I even thought about privating some of these or deleting them altogether. But I'm like, you know what? I would hate to do that because I know a lot of people get a lot of value from these Uber and Lyft videos. If you're looking to drive for Uber, if you're looking to drive for Lyft, et cetera, et cetera. Now, eventually this channel will change into most of the subscribers, which is starting to happen, being just for my making money content, but wanted to mention that as a side note. I would expect this RPM to be way higher. $6.57 is pretty low, in my opinion, when it comes to a video about making money. My guess is maybe because this video is more of a vlog-y style videos. Vlogs, depending on the type of content and niche, sometimes don't pay as well on YouTube. But then you can see when I go on here, like renting a car for Uber, $32.64 for every 1,000 views. Going all the way down here, this one, how to use the Lyft Express Pay, 84 bucks. 5 legitimate ways to earn free Bitcoin, 32. So you're seeing that typically a lot of the videos that do really, really well and pay a lot of money on YouTube, I find it usually about things that when the ad gets put on those videos, the advertiser can make money doing it. So for example, if you sign up, I guarantee if you watch this video, you might get an ad for some kind of cryptocurrency or some kind of crypto trading platform or whatever. And as you can imagine, if you sign up, that company's gonna make a lot of money. Or like say, if I go up to this one, where is it again? Not that one, actually. I'm going to show you this one, renting a car. Well, as you can imagine, if you're going to rent a car, that's a way to make more money too, in terms of like the ad being put on it. And you can see that it does kind of fluctuate a little bit. Like, you know, some of these are low, some of these are high, but that's how it looks. And for these 50,000 views, you could see that we got about 2.1K watch hours, 200 subscribers. So thank you, by the way. Oh, we got a huge spike of subscribers on this day. On June 15th, wait, let's check that out. Kind of curious, actually, what happened on June 15th. So I can take a quick second and look at this. I'm very transparent, as you know, in all my videos. So sometimes I'm like, oh, let me look at that. Oh, so this one, and you can see here, actually makes me excited. Organized now by subscribers. 10 new subscribers for this video. So thank you to the 10 of you. But then how much money YouTube paid me for YouTube Shorts in May of 2026. We got 1 new person. Thank you to you. How much money Facebook Reels paid me for 10,000 views. Why are so many creators leaving YouTube? So you can see that these new subscribers now, at least, are about making money. So again, this channel, like I said in a lot of videos recently, is in a transitional phase. But hey, gotta say, overall, going back to my main point of this video, you can see that for those 50,000 views, $537.38. And I like doing these videos to show you a couple different things. One, showing you all the analytics. I like to show you the analytics, where my head's at as I start planning for future videos, because past analytics can be very useful for future videos, like I talked about with the 80-20 rule. The second thing is talking about my own strategy. Like I said, this channel, documenting the journey to make $1 million on YouTube with a channel about nothing, pretty much the Seinfeld of YouTube channels. I'm very honest about me being a bit of a guinea pig, being like, oh, I'm trying this, it is or is not working, et cetera, et cetera. It's kind of a lot of fun because this channel, kind of, I guess, very similar to Seinfeld, even though it's about nothing, a lot of these videos are very descriptive about all these different things I'm doing, and it's kind of fun that this channel is very casual, just talking about making money over and over and over again. But the third thing, which I do like to kind of show, is that for better or for worse, I love YouTube, and YouTube has changed my life. But if you think about it, I think to an average person, if you said to them, yo, I just made $50,000 on YouTube. Excuse me, I just got 50,000 views. Sorry, different wording. I just got 50,000 views on YouTube. I think to a lot of people, that would sound like a lot. Like 50,000 views is a pretty big milestone. But then with my RPM, let's make numbers very easy. I made about $500-ish from 50,000 views. If I had to ask you in your given area, I live right now in LA, how far or how long would $500 last you? Kind of tricky to say, right? So that's one thing I do want to say, that as much as I love YouTube, it is very competitive. It is very difficult. And I have a good RPM. There are some people that might get only $250 for 50,000 views. And if you think about it, 50,000 views is a good amount. Now, granted, someone like Mr. Beast probably gets like 50,000 views in 1 second, right? So again, like, you know, everyone is kind of doing their own journey. Everyone's kind of on their own path, that kind of thing. But I wanted to show you that because I like to be very transparent about all the different view counts and the correlation to how much money you're making, because that just shows how difficult it is on YouTube, that there are a lot of people uploading videos. And I'm not trying to shy anyone from being a YouTuber. I've done a lot of videos about how to make money on YouTube and becoming a YouTuber, and YouTube has genuinely changed my life. It's the 10-year anniversary of me being full-time on YouTube. I went full-time on YouTube in May of 2016. And I don't know what it is. I don't know if this is just me, but I feel like this year in 2026, I feel like it's almost like a 2016 reboot. I feel like a lot of people have said that because I don't know what it was. But the summer of 2016 to me was probably the most goated summer ever. Like with Pokemon Go and all these things coming out. It was also the first summer I've ever had. I moved to LA. But anyway, we're on our way though. We're on our way to make $1 million on YouTube. It has been a very up and down kind of path, but it's been a lot of fun. It's been a lot of fun that I think that now this channel's turning into more of a free form video where every video, including this one, is getting us closer to making $1 million on YouTube with a channel about nothing.